Hello and welcome to another lecture in free and comprehensive course on AI app development using FlowiseAI by TechLatest.net. So far we had covered a lot of things like FlowiseAI course overview, objectives, introduction, then agenda, and then we had covered understanding the LangChain framework and what is the relation between LangChain framework and FlowiseAI. Now in this lecture we will explore the power of FlowiseAI, like what is FlowiseAI, and also we'll explore the UI of FlowiseAI. Okay, so if you're talking about FlowWise AI, so FlowWise AI is an revolutionary AI platform that enables users to create powerful chatbots and conversational interface with ease. With its cutting-edge technology and user-friendly interface, FlowWise AI has become a go-to solution for businesses and developers looking to harness the power of artificial intelligence. If you're talking about FlowWise AI, like what is exactly FlowWise AI? So it is a powered chatbot development platform, or you can also see a AI application development platform that allows user to create conversational interfaces for various applications, including customer services, e-commerce, and more. The platform uses natural language processing and machine learning algorithms to enable chatbots to understand and respond to user input in a human manner. Okay, so if you scroll our PPT, so here you can see that we can build AI apps without coding using FlowWise AI, which have initiative interface accessible for all, rapid prototyping. We have creating chat flows and LLM chains like chat flow builder, LLM integration, modular chaining. We can do modular chaining with FlowWise AI. If you explore more, so we can combining multiple chains, data extraction, analysis, insights, and automated workflows. Then building a personal assistant. If you are building a personal assistant, if you are building a chatbot, so you can build with FlowWise AI. And then you can building a chatbots with a long-term memory. The chatbots having a long-term memory, then you can build with FlowWise AI. Chatting with your own data, chat, predict, and analyze. If you remember, we have also make course on one tool which is Dancer AI. Okay, and Dancer AI is a tool which have a chat with your own data. Like if you stored some data and then you can ask question to Dancer, then they can take information from that document or PDF, and then Dancer will give you the answer. So same here you can see that chatting with your own data, chat, predict, and analyze. Okay, and then if you're talking about add Flowise to anything, so you can do API connectivity, you can automate workflows, then plug and play, then Flowise AI app marketplace. This is one of the most important thing, and this is one of the most crazy thing about the Flowise AI. So basically, Flowise AI app marketplace is a place where you can see a lot of things, like you can build custom LLM apps in minutes, ready to use templates, conversational AI agents. There are a lot of prompt templates, seamless deployment on cloud platform. There are a lot of tools like which you are using. I'm also exploring these tools in this lecture. Okay, so wait for a minute, and then you can integrate Flowise in different things, then integrated Hugging Face models into Flowise application. Okay, so this is the about the Flowise AI. Then if you're talking about the key features of Flowise AI, so Flowise AI offers a range of features that make it an ideal choice for chatbot development. Some of the key features include vector store component. Flowise AI vector store components enable users to create powerful chatbots that can understand and respond to complex user inputs. Retrieval queue chain. The retrieval queue chain feature allows user to create chatbots that can retrieve information from external sources and respond to user accordingly. Then vector DB the vector DB feature and enable user to create chatbots that can store and retrieve information from a database, making it an ideal choice for application that require data-driven conversation. Okay, so if you're talking about the Flowise AI, the benefits of using Flowise AI, so there are a lot of benefits like of using Flowise AI. You can see there are a lot of benefits like building a personal assistant and like easy to use Flowise AI. It is user friendly interface, make it easy for users to create chatbots. If you go on this Flowise AI user interface. Here you can see the chat flows, agent flows, marketplace, tools, assistants, credentials, variables, API keys, document stores. Then if you click on this, so this is nothing. Then here you can see the dark mode and bright mode of the Flowise in Flowise AI. Then here you can see the admin panel about the Flowise AI. You can want log out, so you can log out also. Then if you click on chat flows and if you click on add new chat flows, then here you can see the node, and in node you can find a lot of things like templates and conversational chains and other things. So this is the benefit of Flowise AI. If you click on node, then here you can see the agents. Okay, and here in agents you can see the Airtable agents. If I click on Airtable agents, okay, so here you can see that you can do some stuff with Airtable. You can like work with records and other things with Airtel because Airtable is a form. Okay, then you can explore more things like after agents, you can see the cache. So in memory cache, then Redis cache. Then here you can see the chains, the different type of chains, OpenAI chain and other chains. Then chat models, AWS Bedrock, Azure OpenAI and other chat models. And then here you can see the document loaders, API loaders, Airtable, then API website, content crawler. Okay, so Confluence and other things, GitHub, Gitbook, and then if you talk about embeddings, then AWS Bedrock embeddings, Chorus embeddings. So there are a lot of tools. If you're talking about memory, LLMs, then here you can see the AWS Azure, lot of MLS, LLMs, then buffer memory, then lot of stuff here, moderation, and then text splitters, record managers, output parsers, and then prompts. If you're talking about prompt, chat prompt template, few short prompt template, record manager, then retrievers, text splitters, character text splitters, code text splitters, and then tools, browser search API, Exa search. So there are a lot of tools. If you like even some of the tools you never heard about these tools. Okay, and then utilities. Then here you can see the vector stores and vector stores. Okay, so this is the node of the uh, uh, canvas. Then if you click on this button, so this is the basically chat button, chat flow save button. If you give something name here, your chat flow or canvas, so you can give name and save it from here. Okay, so this is basically the message section, or you can see if you connect some LLMs, and if you make any canvas and connect some chat flow, so you can like chat here, like this is working as your chat board. Okay, now going back, so basically we're talking about agent flow, so you can create a agent flows, and if you click on add new, so you can create a new canvas, you can create a new chat flows in canvas. If you talking about marketplace, so here you can see a lot of things in marketplace like Flowise docs, Q&A, cloud LLM. You can simply use this templates. If you click on some templates, like if you click on long-term memory, okay, so you can simply use this templates. And then if you click on use templates, so here you can see that in your canvas, this template is coming. And if you click on this save button, so here you can give the name of your chat flow. Okay, going back, then this is about the marketplace. If you click on tools, here you can find about your tools, assistants. If you click on new, then you can add new assistants. Then if you click on your credentials, then here you can, if you click on add credentials, then you can create credentials and like add API keys, then variables and API keys. Create, if you want to create a new API key, then you can create a new API key, document store. So this is the document store. If you click on add new, so you can add a new document. So this is about the UI of the Flowise AI. And if I'm talking about something other stuff about the Flowise AI. So while Flowise AI is a powerful platform, users may encounter some common issues, including HTML, core error code, and other things. So in conclusion, Flowise AI is a powerful AI platform that enables users to create conversational interface with ease. With its cutting-edge technology and user-friendly interface, Flowise AI has become go-to solution for businesses and developers looking to harness the power of artificial intelligence. While some users may encounter common issues, this can be resolved by checking the dependencies and server logs. Overall, FlowiseAI is an ideal choice for anyone looking to create powerful chatbots and conversational interface. So that's all about this lecture. I hope you guys like this lecture, and don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, and also follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Medium, because we will post some good stuff on blogs, on our Medium blogs, and also on LinkedIn and Twitter. So bye bye. We will meet in next video.